Okay, so I watercolored these pots in order to put on these cards. And I like these, and I will make cards, and I'll use that as it is, and I will use that as well. This one, however, I don't like. I don't like this bottom here. I'm thinking what I'm going to do is do a 3D card where I'll cut the pot and the plant out, and then on top of a little foam, put that on the card. And this is also watercolor, which will be the background, and kind of paint that instead and see if we kind of get this effect, but 3D. So let's see if it works. Okay, so I cut out this plant, and this tight little cut is called fussy cutting. And you just kind of generally cut where there's just a little bit out and a little irregular. And I think it turns out pretty cute. And then I painted the background the way that I think would go well, kind of green on the bottom, some blue on top. And then when I put it on the card, I thought it looked a little plain. Plus, I'm debating, do I want a softer card or a pure white card? And considering we've got the blue envelope, the dark blue envelope, because this is a little plain, I think it needs a border. I don't have a blue that exactly matches that. And so I picked a green that kind of came out of this green and created kind of a tight little border. And so now it's a matter of, does it look good on here or good on here? I kind of like this because it makes the border show up a little bit more. So I am going to go ahead and keep it on the white, and it'll end up looking like this. But I will put some little, I only have these little foam squares, pretty tiny, so I'll just kind of dot them on the back and put them on there. And I will see if I want to put any marks, like I usually do, a little shadowing on there, and I may do that. In fact, I might do that first, and trusting that it will look good. So let's get started, and we'll finish this card off.